Hello, my name is Marty Romances, and I'm the co-founder and creative director at Territory Studio. At Territory, we have been focused on film and TV graphics for over 12 years, bringing directors and production designers' ideas to life. Today, we are very excited to showcase our new approach to on-set graphics for films and TV, thanks to virtual production techniques adapted to live playback screen graphics. This technique allows us to feature 3D content within the screens, captured by the camera, live on set, without the needs of any rotoscoping, match moving, or any other laborious and expensive visual effects or post-production procedures. Directors of photography can enjoy depth and lens effects since the graphics are right there. Thanks to real-time camera tracking and sensors, we can achieve this real-time effect, no matter which camera or lens systems are being used on the shoot. We can also apply this to as many screens as need on any particular scene, making this a very modular and scalable solution. These screens can also be interactive, so actors can get immersed with the systems we design and trigger different cues, which can be used to portray important narrative points. The same system allows us to have both static and portable moving screens at the same time, allowing people to walk around the scene while maintaining the same 3D effect. At Territory, we believe pushing the boundaries thanks to these technological innovations will allow set designers and storytellers to feature more advanced visuals in their shows. We cannot wait to work with them on their next productions, featuring the next generation of 3D screen graphics.
Instaluje Roku. Google'a.
Let's go. It's getting messy over here. It's getting messy over there. It's getting messy over here. It's getting messy over there. Roll over and step for the top spin. Shoot for the goal, losing ain't an option. Life's a ball, celebrate it like a holiday. Now everybody plays to win, but everybody's gotta play. Rat race at a fast pace. Be defenders of the dribbles and they fall on their flat face. Number one striker going global. It's getting messy over here. It's getting messy over there. It's getting messy over here. It's getting messy over there. Flipping the can. Dipping the can. Kicking the can. You missing the can. Let's go. Yeah.
Installiere doch. Bla.